Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shivali and today I'm going to show you what all I purchased in the recent past. So as the video suggests that I did a lot of shopping in the past month, I think, and there were a lot of sales going on offline and online. So this was the best opportunity to stack up on my basics that I actually really needed and some luxuries as well. So if you want to see what all I got, stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see such content, and let's just begin. So I've got a few articles over here and please don't mind my hair. It's the third day and I just didn't know what to do with it. So this is the best that I could do, and let's just begin with the outfits and the clothes. So this is the first thing that I got. It's a very nice cotton dress. I personally love cotton dresses because it's very breezy and I just don't like the fabric sticking to my body because I get sweaty and it's just a mess. So I love cotton dresses. So this is the one that I got. It's a high-low cotton dress and I think I got it for around 2000 rupees in the exhibition. A few of the detailing, it has got a beautiful embroidery girl over here. I mean, I don't care really, to be honest. And it has got like puff bell sleeves over here. So I really like that detailing. It's a high and low dress, as I said before, and I really liked it. And yes, you will see me wearing all these clothes very often because I just love to mix and match clothes. So the next thing is a very basic thing actually. It's just a pair of black denims that I got. Just plain black straight fit denims, and the best part is that I love the fitting that it gives. I just do not need to gain any weight, otherwise these will not fit. And this is from Lifestyle. I got it from Lifestyle and I got a good deal in this as well. So the next basic item that I got are white jeans. Now I have been trying to find a pair of good white like trousers or something, but everything is very see-through, and anything I find online is I can't take the risk because I know it's going to be very see-through. So this particular one, these are actually denims, and this is what it looks like. It has got elastic at the back and then of course the zip and button and everything, and these are very straight fit, so kind of loose, and these actually look very good on my body type, and because I am like a pear shape in my body type, so these really look nice on me and they're not very expensive. They are under the 2000 budget. So the next items I got from Westside, actually they had a very good deal going on. This is the oversized t-shirt that I got. I loved the print on it, and of late I have been really loving oversized stuff. So I got this for only rupees 400, so that is a good deal. So as I said before, I'm really into cottons, but I'm trying to come out of my comfort zone and trying to wear such materials which are not exactly my type, like synthetics and georgettes, and I actually find a very good court set cum suit set under rupees 2000 from Westside. This is the print. I love this print and I just love this color. I'm just in love with the entire thing, and this is what it looks like when I'm wearing it. It is like a kaftan sort of a thing on top, and you can even pair it up with normal jeans. You don't need to wear the exact pants that it comes with. You can even wear it with white jeans, or maybe blue jeans were also looking nice while I was trying them. And of course the sleeves and everything, I just love it. So as you know, I'm trying to come out of my comfort zone of just wearing cottons. So this is the next dress that I got. It's a very hot pink dress, and I just loved how loose it is, but at the same time it's quite formal. So I got this from Code, which was in Lifestyle actually, and I got it at such a good deal. I got this below 1000 rupees, I think, because it's been a long time since I've shopped. It's been like 20 days. So this is the length of the dress and this is what the color looks like. I just love this dress. I don't know why, but I feel that I can get a lot of wear out of this. So this is what I got. So next I went to Forever 21 and I actually just bought a few tops from there, because every time I don't want to just get dresses and dresses. I want to buy something that I actually can wear on an everyday basis. So this is the first top that I got. Such a cute top with this sheep printed on it, and it's just very girly. I mean, I know I am quite overage for this, but it just brings out the girl in me. Next one is also a very nice one. Now me and my sister had a challenge that I cannot fit into this, but I did because I bought a bigger size. So this is the top that I got. I love the cherries on it. This gives such a good picnic vibe and I just love it. So the next thing I got, of course, is an oversized t-shirt. Now, this is not actually oversized. In the oversized section, this was in M size. So this is not exactly oversized for me, but it's a little loose. But I really liked it because it is so cute. It's got a smiley face on it and I just love this color. This color suits me so well. So I just love purple and shades of purple. So I had to get this one. The next thing is something that I actually wanted from a really long time. I wanted a pair of leggings cum joggers which I can wear while working out, while going on a walk, because my previous ones were really tight for me now that I've gained some weight. And I bought the previous ones from Forever 21 as well, and I got these ones from there as well. Okay, so when you look at these, they do not look very appealing, but when you try them on, it's like a normal grey high-rise legging, and I got it at a very good deal. I think around 1200-1300 rupees. So this is very nice, and I just love the fitting that it gives me. I can just wear it anytime and go anywhere. So if you're looking for good jeggings, I think you can definitely try Forever 21 for like yoga pants and all, for a comfortable and a good deal. So guys, this is all that I got in my haul, and I know this was a very short video, but good because I wanted to make it from a really long time. I just couldn't get the time to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please ignore my background. This is the best I could do. I promise I will do better in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Bye.